Finally, I'm putting out an eyebrow tutorial video. This has been highly anticipated, it's been highly requested. People ask me all the time, every single day, how do I get these eyebrows? How do you do that? Are they tattooed? Do you use a stencil? Nope. I've been doing this for such a long time. I shaved half of my eyebrows off years ago in hopes of being able to draw them on quite evenly. And I'll say I've somewhat accomplished that, but eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins, so they will never both be the same. However, I like that I can get mine to be as close as possible, and that's completely in my control. So, if you would like to learn how to get eyebrows like this, keep on watching. You're going to need just 3 brushes, the first being a smudging brush, the second being an eyebrow brush, and the third being a concealer brush. You're going to also need a concealer of your choice, and also some sort of eyeshadow. The first thing you're going to do is take that angled eyebrow brush as well as your eyeshadow color and begin creating your eyebrow shape. Using your eye as a guide, begin your shape aligning with the tear duct. Build your arc at the edge of the iris and end your tail slightly past the outer corner of your eye. Be sure to check out my blog post that goes along with this video, linked down below. It consists of a few more detailed tips and tricks on how to build the perfect eyebrow shape. Next, take your smudging brush and blend out the beginning part of your brow, creating a gradient. With that concealer brush and concealer, clean up all around the eyebrow for a flawless finishing shape. Once you're happy with the shape, pat a beauty blender over the gradient you made earlier to shorten the brow's fade. And that's it, we are done. Pretty easy, huh? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video somewhat helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.